In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a pixelated photo clearer in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and find the pixelated photo that you want to make clearer. In my case, it's going to be this photo right here. As you can see, it's kind of like visible, but it's not like properly high quality, and it is a little bit pixelated, so I want to improve its quality. Now, what you need to do is click on the image itself. In my case, this image right here is a background of a strip in column 2. So I need to click on this strip to select the image, and then as you can see, change background right here. From here, you want to click on this button right here next to settings, and then that's going to bring up this separate window right here. From the window here, you want to click on crop and extend in the top left corner of the screen right here. And if you take a look at the bottom here, you will see upscale image. Now, all you have to do to kind of make this image clearer, click on upscale. And within a few seconds, the upscaling tool is going to improve the quality of this image. So let's just wait a couple of seconds and see what the end result looks like. Now, as you can see, the image is significantly better, much more clearer than before. Then to save the changes, click on save right here, and then that will automatically kind of like reflect on your website within a few seconds again. As you can see, big difference. Let's go ahead and preview. And this is what the image looks like now. It was a little bit more pixelated, but now the quality is a bit crisper. The image is a bit more clear. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a blurry or a pixelated image clearer in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.